Happy Sunday. And for those that celebrate Easter, happy Easter. I put that picture up the other day of that Peterbilt 379. That was real nice, and I said that it reminded me of my 379. I got some footage of it. I got more somewhere. I'm trying to find it. I'm gonna keep looking for it. But in the meantime, you know, the reason why I got rid of that truck was it was a B model cat. Love the motor, love the truck, drive the thing anywhere. It didn't matter what I put behind it. It drove exactly the same with, you know, if the truck weighed 80,000 pounds or if I was pulling and it was 40,000 pounds, it drove exactly the same. It did not care what was back there. I would love to do another Pete at some point in time, but I want the new 70-inch bunk with the window on the side. I like those. You know, it could be a 389 or a 379. If I did one, I'd want a cat, but I'd do a 12.7 also, but if it was your 389 glider, one of the newer ones. But I'd do another Pete. I do want to do another Pete. The time will come, I guess, eventually. But check this out. I bought this Pete, and it reminded me of the Pete my dad had when I was younger. So in this video, I have a couple of my buddies with me that actually were working for me at the time. And we had a good little cruise, and there were some videos of it. We had it in the parade. We had, oh man, I mean, the truck went through some transitions, but I don't know if I have much footage of that because of the driver that was driving it was one of my buddies that was recording. And we went through transitions, bumpers, polished stuff, new stuff on the hood, window stuff, window chops on there, like all these different things, you know. But I'll see what I can find, and y'all gotta check this thing out. I really love this truck. It was really clean too for a 94. It was real clean. Like if you looked at it, if you're a Peterbilt person, you know it's an older one, but most people, when they would see the truck and I would tell them how old it was, I could watch their jaws just drop. So anyways, check it out.
I'll tell you, open it up. And I say it's yours, you open the truck up. We're going down memory lane for some reasons of Dante feeling that this is part of his grown-up childhood. He wanted to make a thing for his dad if we could hang on to this thing, right?
It's like sticky little brakes on this thing.
So, Mr. Pearson, Papa Pearson, this is for you, Dad.
Big mechanical Pete.
Big mechanical 6NZ. Oh yeah. Is that working now?
Yeah, it works. Wish we could get the Jake to work on this fucking thing.
Just says my God. I could have had the rest.
Here, drop. It's like driving cars. Make a lot of room. Go on about your business. I don't know where you can stop. Let's see.